everybody? It's your boy. We're about to get ready to go to the ocean for like 30 to 45 minutes. I have to go change, and once we get to the ocean, I really don't know what else to say, but let's get it. God, no. Oh, God. I haven't been to this beach in a long, long time. Oh, hey, no, bro. This beach is butt cheeks. Oh, no. So used to sun and the ocean waves in this beach. I haven't been here no. Just, no. Okay, so here we are. We haven't been in this beach in a while. I mean, I haven't been here since I was a little kid, so let's see how fun this beach really is compared to the other beaches. Because let's be honest real quick, this beach is kind of okay when I was little. It was good when I was little, but well, now it's kind of like, I can't say it out here because I am not gonna get demonetized. So it's better safe than sorry. Oh God, no! It's too cold. It's too cold. It's too cold for my feet. Trying to put my toes in the sand and didn't work out.
I'm gonna put my Crocs on in the front.
Okay.
My Crocs.
You good? Yeah, should not have run with Crocs on. Yeah, go ahead and say hi. Yeah, Eli, be a dolphin.
What the heck?
Huh? Are you eating salt water?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a dolphin.
I need a towel.
You need, okay. So let me get this.
This is your fault.
Huh?
I was not happy.
Yeah, you're looking at me, dude.
Better?
How do you got ahead and started eating salt water?
Ow. Carmen, this is your fault. I'll try to go deeper.
Good luck.
And then Carmen's gonna freak out. Look at this.
She's already freaking out.
She's like, hey, wait.
She's like dragging her foot in the sand.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, her foot is already on the sand. What? She's like telling Eli, don't go too far, buddy. Don't go too far.
I'm only going to.
She's like, please don't go too far. Please, Eli. My foot is already in the sand. I'm not gonna be sad about it. I ain't gonna throw these teams in the ocean, but they needed to be dry off.
Yeah, it's good for stars.
They needed to be dry off.
Yeah.
Let's be honest with me. Good luck calling my team trash when the schedule starts up. I'm giving out my predictions when I get back. But when the schedule really starts off, things are about to get interesting since we have no quarterback at the moment, and our quarterback happens to be, what's his face? Number 8. And he can't even win to save his skin. So congratulations, Daniel Jones. You ruined this franchise by getting pick 6 from Duke.
They need to paint this.
Look at it. Eli is trying to take the ball. This is a football. Listen. Don't ever be a sports fan, because this is what happens if you become a sports fan, starts getting addicted, and then your life is gonna be in shambles.
Yes.
So good luck trying to be a sports fan. It just might ruin you. Alright guys, looks like I just made it home from the beach. I mean, I barely got into the water that much because it was so cold. There was fish in there, and there was also a pelipper fish or something like that. I'm not really sure. But I'm giving you football fans a heads up that the schedule will be released on May 15th of next Wednesday. And I'll be doing some predictions. Let me know which team you want me to predict first on the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. And that's going to be all for this video. I am still going to be the reigning defending champion. Well, not necessarily because how can I say this without using another way of saying I'm not like Brock Lesnar or Roman Reigns or something like that, because I'm not that good at defending this. Let's get it. Wow.